very cool stuff upcoming. Now, when I look at my scene categories here with a right click, I can see that I can edit the launch tempo and the time signature. The way it's done is like this. I just, edit launch tempo, and I'll say 130. And then I get an orange action light. So let's just make a little scenario where we option click these and move those down, and it's going to go from 124 to 130. Here we go. Here we go. Like that. So I went from 124 to 130. There's a little gotcha though, because if I go back, it still stays at 130. The reason for this is that tempo is governed by the lowest clip in the session. So if I wanted to be able to go back, I would have to assign each one of these a tempo. This next clip down here, I go to 100 BPM, and it's a 6/8, so it's like da-da-la, da-da-la, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I got that by saying edit launch tempo, edit time signature. So I'm going to play, watch the transition up near the title bar. I go from 130, 4/4 to 100, 6/8. So the time signature actually changes, which allows my little bongo track MIDI to be edited in 6/8 instead of 4/4. Okay? And I can go back to this because this has a designated 130. Okay? And lastly, colors are available here, of course. And let's just say that I wanted to take this whole area, color it up, go to my library, and I have a little folder here called BB Scenes. And the reason is that you can drag scenes directly into your folders. And in this way, you can mix and match your worlds. I'll just call this Nalepa is awesome. That's Steve Nalepa. Go buy his records. And it's copying the media into that scene right now. If I want to move all these scenes to my laptop, I go to this one place, grab up my scenes, and I'm good. Cool. Conversely, I can take this, was an idea from an earlier track. I'm going to drop it in. And I believe this was at 100. I could actually write it in, but I'm just going to say edit launch tempo 100. And I have clips from an earlier session.
No more sickness, no more sorrow, no more pain. No more sickness, no more sorrow, no more pain.
Scenes. Okay, next we look at clips and how we launch them and how we can do interesting things with them.